Hello and welcome to another video in the tutorial series. Today we are going to be creating a category page. So I've already got Wikipedia up. I've logged in and I'm going to go to category, spelled that wrong, Catholic Church in Popular Culture. All right, so I developed this page about a week ago, and I can show you how I started to build it. By going to View History, you'll be able to see the edits that have been made to this page. The first one at the bottom is me, T. Willis Jr., and then the second one up, you'll have the option to click PREV on the left. So I'm going to do that. And then on the left-hand side, that's going to show the first edit that was made on the page. And all it is category Catholic Church in double brackets. And I'll zoom in for you. All I did was literally add this and saved it. And then the page was created. I originally started it as with the P and the C in popular culture capitalized, so that's what this red box is here. It was actually switched over to lowercase. That's that's okay. Yeah. Then if you watch video 3 of my tutorial series on Wikipedia, you can learn how to get into the advanced options. Once you make an account, you get into the advanced options over here. You will be able to enable something called HotCat. And then what that does is at the bottom, categories, it gives you these plus and minuses. So you can just go like this and you can just type in a category and click OK. And then it'll save. So I did that for all these pages. I went to the movie Father Stu page, that Padre Pio film, and that Netflix special, The Two Popes. I went to all those different things, and they fall under Catholic Church and popular culture. So I went to the bottom of those pages. We'll use Father Stu as an example. Mark Wahlberg, pretty cool. Go to the bottom, and you'll see that Catholic Church and popular culture is something that's connecting it to the Catholic Church and popular culture category page. And that's all I did was I went down here. It wasn't there. I clicked the plus. I added it, and there you go. So that's it. That concludes my video. Hope you have a great day.